you're new here in my channel, thank you so much for being here. And today we are back for another review video and I am so excited kasi we are going to try another K-pop brand, but this time we are going to swatch lipsticks. This brand is a 3CE Mood Recipe 2 Matte Lip Color. I am so excited to try this product. So without further ado, let's get started. To tell you honestly, I have a little bit of idea of what kind of lipstick are we going to try today, because this lipstick is pretty much in demand in K-pop world. It has 98.1% customer satisfaction with 1001 reviews. The product claims that it's a creamy matte lip color with a high color payoff, and it also says that it's a perfect MLBB lipstick. And for those of you who doesn't know about MLBB, it stands for My Lips But Better. It also says that it has buildable texture, that we only need 1 or 2 swipes. So to me, that sounds awesome, right? When I got these lipsticks, it's on 60% off. Currently, it's still 60% off. It's 129 in Swedish crowns, and that's 781 in pesos. So these are the all 5 shades. So this is how it looks like with the packaging. It's matte packaging, and it comes with a seal. So you just have to remove it and sniff. It doesn't have a strong scent. Para siyang smell ng eraser, pero hindi siya overpowering. Also, I think that the packaging is well made and so sturdy kasi I dropped this on the floor sa gravel and nagkaroon lang siya ng konting dent dito. But look at that. It's all intact and walang damage. Also, I can tell that if you put this inside your bag, it's so intact. I don't think kakalat to sa bag, just like the other lipsticks. So what we're going to do is we're going to apply the lipsticks in 2 ways. One is gradient and one is full lips. But first things first, before we try to swatch the lipsticks, we are going to scrub our lips para naman fine siya to smoothen our dry lips so we can able to give a proper judgment to this product. Then we're going to rinse it off with water. Okay, our lips are smooth and soft now. Let's begin! So we're going to do a gradient lip first and then a full lips. So the first lipstick that we're going to try is number 218 Mirror Like. Number 219 Brilliant. To number 220, Hit Me Up. number 222 Step and Go. I used number 222 Step and Go. I decided to use the darker shade para very obvious yung matatanggal na pigments sa lips. Okay, the first food that we're going to eat is noodles.
Years old lang pala yung bata. Yung naman pala 16. Okay. Ano sa palagay mo yun? At hanap yung naman? Ano no? Ang sinabi ko lang sa palagay yung naman, okay, hindi pa kayo sa naman. Miss Eileen Joy? Okay. Hittills i år ökat med drygt 23% jämfört med samma period förra året.
He's not our subject. The man who killed him is Elmer Wayne Henry Jr. The Candyman.
Please believe this.
Hello mga Vevs! I am back for the final check-in and this is how it looks like yung lipstick after eating a lot of food today. I ate noodles, I ate chocolate, I ate dinner. I also ate ice cream or popsicle stick. Then I also ate, I drink soda. So, yeah, after that, ito na po ang effect ng lipstick. Alright, punta tayo sa liwanag. Ayan, para makita natin. Walang bias dito. Ayan po. So, as you can see, meron pa rin siyang faded sa pinaka inner part ng ating lips. But that's very typical. Even yung mga long-last wearing lipstick natin, yung mga matte lipstick natin, that happens. Yung pinaka-inner part talaga yung una nag-fade. But if you can see, sa pinaka-loob lang naman talaga yung natanggal and it's not pretty obvious even dito sa camera. Di naman siya halata, diba, na nabura na. What I noticed about this lipstick, yung kiniklaim nila na it is smooth, it's mattifying, it's creamy. Yeah, actually it is. It's not as drying as other matte lipsticks na nakita natin sa drugstore. Usually, the matte lipsticks are very drying feeling in the lips. But this one, it wasn't like that. So, I'm very satisfied and maybe mag-restock ako once na maubusan ako. Now for the final thoughts. 3.5 grams of product for a bullet lipstick. I can say that it's a little bit lesser than the drugstore lipsticks. You can also compare that the bullet is thinner than the normal drugstore lipstick. So I can say that it's pretty expensive for its price. When it comes to the packaging naman, it's just a normal type of packaging ng lipstick. Meron siyang hologram dito. But when I open this lipstick, meron lang siyang isang seal here. So sa other side, wala. So it's not really a big of a deal, but you want to make sure that your lipstick is unopened, right? I wanted to comment about the packaging. They did a pretty good job in doing the packaging. It's really safe to put it in the bag kasi hindi madaling matanggal yung cover. Also, it is scratch-proof and you can tell from the packaging na matte siya. So you know the product is also matte. One thing that I have to point out is some packaging is not similar to the bullet itself. And also, the bullet is not similar sa swatches. It's just a little bit of discrepancy with the colors, but it's just that it's one step lighter or darker than the bullet. As I always say, it's not a pretty big deal, but in choosing a shade, do not base a bullet or sa packaging. 3CE Mood Recipe number 2 has 5 shade ranges. Not too many variety, it's just right that we have options. Okay, let's talk about 218 Mirror Like. This is my least favorite, I can say. Kasi para akong patay when I use it. But you can actually use this if you're going for a dramatic look, but you wanted a simple lipstick. You can easily pull this off. So basing on the color chart, Mirror Like is color rose. For the number 219 Brilliant, this is one of my favorite among the rest. If I am going to use it for a spring or summer kind of vibe, I'll go for this one. To me, it's between the coral and peachy tone if you're basing on the color chart. For number 22, Hit Me Up. To me, it is the most versatile color. For me, it's like a retro kind of vibe. It's sort of a brownish kind of color. It's not a nude, it's kind of louder. And to me, this is my most favorite color because it's universal and I really love the retro vibe. For number 221 Mellow Flower, I so love the red color, to be honest. But this kind of red color, it's kind of making my teeth yellow. So this is my least favorite. Now, if we're basing on the color table, number 221 is color lipstick. For number 222, Step and Go, this color is the best for me. I so love this because it sort of has a brownish shade with it and it doesn't make my teeth yellow. So if we're basing on the color table, number 222 is color Currant. I think that 221 and 222 is the only one who can do a gradient lip. And when it comes to the pigments naman, it's really pigmented, so we don't have a problem with that one. When it comes naman sa feeling ng lipstick sa lips ko, it's really moisturizing. It's soft, it's velvety. I can tell that I have lipstick on, but hindi siya katulad ng ibang matte lipstick na very heavy on the lips. Based on the smell, it doesn't have smell. To me, it's much better na walang smell yung product than having a really strong smell. So that's good. So let's check the transfer proof. Just like the other matte lipsticks, it transfers, but it doesn't remove so much from my lips. Let's find out if we can wipe it off easily sa lips. We can easily wipe it off sa lips and it doesn't stain. When it comes to longevity naman, it lasted so long, so that's good. So the last question would be, would I recommend it? Yes, I would recommend it for people na they don't mind about the price point kasi it's pretty obvious na medyo mahal siya comparing to the drugstore product. But I really think it's a quality product. The color are very vibrant. The color are very pigmented as well. At ang lakas mga K-pop, diba? But I have to say that these are not really rare colors. You can see this in other drugstore lipsticks na mas cheaper. I don't really think that there's any special about the colors of the lipsticks. But ang nag-stand out lang sa akin is yung number 219, which is Brilliant, because of the spring and corally vibe. And number 220, Hit Me Up, because of the retro kind of vibe. These two might be hard to search in drugstore brands. So that concludes of our review of this 3CE Mood Recipe 2 lipstick. I hope that you find this interesting and helpful. And if you have other review requests, just let me know. Type it in the description down below. And if you have tried this product, let me know what you think. I'm interested to know. Or share this video to others if you think that they're interested as well. Again, that's it for this video. I hope you like it and I'll see you on my next one. I love you mga Vevs. Stay pretty, smile, and slay!